What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Tillage Row Farm video. Today we are out running corn and I'm grain carting today. And today is my first day of ever grain carting. I've drove the T8 down here, I've drove it places, but I haven't ran my grain cart yet. So far I just did my first load on the go and didn't spill anything. We got 27,000 pounds and I need 3,000 more to get the minimum for like a truckload. So far doing pretty good, but I haven't unloaded yet, so that's still yet to come. But I think I got everything figured out so far, so I'll hopefully try to get some video of me on getting loaded on the go and unloading, and just some video of the combine. So hope you guys enjoy. So now I'm just moving the grain cart to a good spot out away from the ditches that are down here, because we got some good ditches. And I'm just moving it out of the way so that way he doesn't have to try to unload me on the go while trying to go through all these. There he goes, right there. For all those who are wondering, we have a John Deere S670 combine with electric boom extensions.
Got up there in the corner and he can dump it in when he gets there.
Roger. So now I'll just go up here and I'll wait.
My name's Roger.
I hate waiting. Alright, so the comment on my first unload wasn't too bad until I got to the back. And I forgot which way to pull the switch to shut the gate. And then I got a small pile in the back that started to come out. And I tried to go back and I went forward a little bit more. Not completely off, just a little bit. Because I thought I hit this button to put it in reverse, but apparently I didn't. So then I hit it and then I went back through and chopped it off. On the unload again. So I just filmed this part, but I had the air conditioning fan on and it was really loud and I didn't realize till I was done. So let me say that again. So we have 4 fields down here, but one's pretty small. And it's all 40 acres together, and we've done 3 of the fields so far. And we're working on the 4th. So I'm about 2/3 full, and I'm just waiting on some more grain from the combine, and then the truck I'll be waiting on then. So. Car, and we might take the combine home, or just gonna fold it up and leave it here so we can come run maybe some tomorrow. But that's going to be it for this video. If you guys like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss another video. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.